Once again, we are practicing here about the negative sentences, about the present indefinite tense. Let's get start. You have got target today 100 sentences.
He does not complete his work. He does not ride with a bike.
Speak loudly.
He does not eat food. He does not make food. He does not fly in the sky. He does not land there. He does not buy a car in Delhi. He does not fly a helicopter. He does not dig a he does not dig. He does not cook. He does not make food. He does not prepare our food. He does not read properly. He does not write not a book. He does not write a book. He does not play with me. He does not climb the mountain. He does not go in the river. He does not swim in the river. He does not drive a car. He does not go to forest with our family. He does not play with me. He does not not use. He does not use our phone. He does not write a letter. He does not go to Agra. He does not uh, bend the wood. He does not catch the ball. He does not he does not he does not help anyone. He does not run in the road. He does not get up early in the morning. He does not swim. He does not take bath daily. He does not make food. He does not burn the garbage. He does not he does not feed poor people. He does not bring the water. He does not he does not read a book. He does not come here. He does not give me a book. He does not buy a car. He does not pare his angle. He does not cut the tree. He does not find coin. He does not he does not keep me. He does not he does not क्या tear page. He does not sit properly. He does not go to tuition daily. He does not he does not shake his hand. He does not use mobile phone. He does not take a pen. He does not put a pen. He does not keep a pen. He does not close a book. He does not open the book. He does not go there. He does not write a letter. He does not break apple. He does not bite apple. He does not drive vehicle. He does not catch a ball. He does not bite apple. Fight. He does not fight with me. He does not play anyone. He does not talk to each other. He does not speak. He does not learn properly. He does not remember. He does not write. He does not play. He does not bring. He does not wear our clothes. He does not comb the hair. He does not he does not drive cycle. He does not walk every day. He does not wear t-shirt. He does not comb the hair. He does not see mountain. He does not watch TV. He does not find a phone. He does not get a coin. He does not make tea. He does not fly in the sky. He does not flying. He does he does not climb, he does not wear opticals, he does not bask the sun, he does not abusing with me, he does not abuse, he does not kill, he does not he does not come, he does not go, he does not buy, he does not fall in the building, he does not brush crackers, he does not burn a lamp, he does not light a lamp, he does not bring water, he does not sit properly, he does not bring our bag, he does not read every day, he does not teach teach to each other, he does not spread the mat, he does not give me a pillow, he does not uh, he does not he does not put pen book, he does not take bath daily, he does not keep a pen, he does not catch a ball, he does not cut vegetable, he does not climb in the tree, he does not cut the tree, he does not uh, pay anyone, he does not search everything, he does not sing a song, he does not ring the bell, he does not wear his lure, he does not write a poem, he does not write properly, he does not he does not feed he does not repeat the poem, he does not dig a ground, he does not run in the field, he does not walk in evening, he does not ride with our friends, he does not drive a car, he does not ride a bike, he does not go to forest with our family, he does not fill a pot, he does not drink water, he does not take our milk, he does not solve a math question, he does not learn properly, he does not he does not he does not remember his friend, he does not he does not wishing anyone, he does not backbite no, to each other, he does not fitting no, he does not fighting with me with her, he does not he does not he does not bring water daily, he does not feel good, he does not like her, he does not wear our new clothes, he does not like old clothes, he does not not play with me properly, he does not uh, make food, he does not spread, he does not sit, he does not come, he does not go, he does not bring, he does not fly, he does not make, he does not teach, he does not read, he does not ride, he does not play, he does not watch, he does not see, he does not burn, he does not build, he does not brush, he does not eat, he does not cut, He does not wear. He does not fly. He does not dig. He does not dig. He does not ride. He does ride a bicycle. He does not fly a kite.
Very nice. You have completed 100 sentences, 10 minutes 30 seconds.